potatoes time. Getting answers to your immigration questions. Let's go to Adam.
Yeah, hi, Brad. How are you?
How are you?
Good. I have a question. I have a conditional green card which is going to expire in March. But my marriage is already terminated, but the divorce is not final yet. So I'm going to apply for the I-751 waiver. But I believe I don't have much evidence for my marriage because she was pretty much abusive and she did not cooperate with getting an insurance or getting a joint bank account, because always she would say that if I get a joint bank account, you're working, my FAFSA would get affected. Okay, and then recently I came to know that she have emailed to USCIS and DHS that I married her for a green card, but even though I have some affidavits and everything which states that I was a supportive husband and I tried everything to save my marriage. So what is the likelihood
What do you mean that you tried everything to save your marriage? What did you do to save your marriage?
Like I cooperated, I faced her abuse, and I was being pinched all the time. She was being pretty much abusive towards me, like physical, mental, emotional, financial.
Okay. So what we would need to do, the basic way to prove a bona fide marriage is you physically live together.
Yeah, I have pretty much evidence for that.
Okay, so you have living together evidence. You don't have financial relationship evidence.
No, I don't have that.
I would discount what she wrote, immigration, that you married her for love. Usually people who write those letters are actually aggrieved spouses who are doing it because they're angry, and usually angry people were in real relationships. So I would discount that she did that and wrote that. You have some documentation. I would need to review it and tell you, but you have to put your best foot forward with as much documentation as you can. The process is you got to go through it. You have no choice.
Yeah.
So because you have no choice, you got to put your best foot forward and put as much documentation as you can together to prove it was a bona fide marriage. Sometimes when you speak to a good lawyer, they come up with ideas to show that it was a bona fide marriage. You're like, oh, I never thought of that. That's a good document to submit too. So maybe you want to have a consultation. We can review what you have. Hold on. Let's go to Anthony in Jackson Heights. Anthony.
Yes.
Hi, how are you?
Heights.
Anthony in Jackson Heights, it's you.
Yeah. Hi.
Good, how are you?
My question is in behalf of a friend of mine who is a citizen of this country, 78 years old. He married a lady who is 57 years old.
Okay.
They just lived together for 3 months. And then she got an issue with his son, who is 28 years old. She moved out, caused that, not telling her husband where she was going to. Is more than 1 year already, and came to his knowledge that she told somebody that all she wants for him is the green card, and if he applies for divorce, she's not going to sign. So my question is, what he could do to finish the divorce and finish the whole situation?
So he's a
U.S. It's clear that all she wants is a green card.
He's a U.S. citizen, right? Hello, Anthony.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's the U.S. citizen, the 78-year-old.
He is. He's 78 years old.
So listen, who knows what, and there's truths all over the place. But if you want to get a divorce in New York, you don't need somebody's permission to get a divorce. He can divorce her. It's no fault divorce in New York and 49 out of 50 states, I believe. So all you have to show is that you had irreconcilable differences for 6 months. Serve her with the divorce summons. Show you didn't get along for 6 months. That's what irreconcilable difference is. And you'll get divorced whether she likes it or not. That's the end of the story.
Oh, so he could go on and do it by himself.
Yeah, just get divorced.
Okay.
All right, that's simple as that. And then you're divorced. The only thing she could do at that point would be if she wants to file an abuse case, if she has evidence that there was abuse by the husband. Other than that, she's out of luck. All right?
Okay.
All right.
Thank you very much. I appreciate that.
Okay, good luck.
Good.
All right, let's go to James in Alexandria, Virginia. James.
Hi, Brad. Thank you so much for your time. I have two quick questions. One is I have this pending asylum since 2015, and I had a medical emergency at home. So I applied for emergency advance parole, and I got it for 45 days, and I been to my home country and came back within 45 days.
What was your medical emergency?
My father, passed away.
Okay, so let me fill you in on a secret. Okay, if you traveled to your home country, and after you said, I have a fear of returning to my home country because your father was ill, then obviously your fear is not that great. You've just proved your case is a big loser. You're going to lose your asylum because you did this. All right, you can't say, I want to live in America because they're going to kill me if I go home. Oh, my father's sick, I'm going to go home and visit him. You can't do it.
Yeah, I'm saying like I already been and came back.
Do you understand? You can't say I'm scared to go home and then go home, no matter what the reason is. If you were really scared to go home, you wouldn't go home. So you got a big problem. Hold on. Jackie in Bridgeport, Connecticut.
Hey, Brad.
Hi, how are you?
How you doing? Yeah. Oh my God, thank God.
Yeah.
No, Brad. I came here on a visa from Jamaica.
Right.
3 years ago.
Right.
And well, I'm off status, but my visa is still good. I'm off status.
Okay.
Yeah. What's my next move?
Wait on what Joe Biden's going to pass over the next 90 days.
Oh,
hang in there. All right, that's your next move. All right, hang in there.
Yes.
But your next move is to hang in there. Watch this. We'll update you as we know more.
Man.
90 days. Keep your fingers crossed.
I have all my 5 friends over here with me. You're the best, Brad.
Thank you, Jackie. Be well.
And we're all coming to you.
Thank you.
So get ready for us.
I'm waiting. Hold on. All right, let's go to Steven in Dallas. Steven. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.